morning, guys. This is John Reese Outdoors here. It's going to be a beautiful day today. I am glad I am fishing. I am headed to Woods Reservoir today. I've been here several times within the last, well, this year I haven't been here any, but the last of the late fall last year, I think I came here 2 days, 3 days, and I think every day I got rained on. So I wanted to come back here and give it another chance and see if he can apologize to me a little bit better. Today's gonna be 77 degrees, so I don't think we gotta worry about rain. The wind's gonna be light. They're saying between 10 and 15. So, and that's just, I think it's a little bit on the high side. I don't think it's gonna be that windy today. So, I just got off interstate. It is 6:10. I got up at 4 o'clock, took my shower, got everything hooked up, rolled out to Mapco, got me a big old cup of coffee, and left the house exactly at 5 o'clock. So yeah, it's a little bit of a drive for me to go up here, but I went over Percy Priest Wednesday, yeah, and it's I mean, damn, you can almost go from one side to the other just by skipping on rocks. So they've got it really low right now on this winter pool. They haven't let it increase yet on the water level, so I'm just gonna stay away from Percy Priest for now. I don't want to have to replace a lower end unit on it. So I probably got about 20 more minutes, and we'll be in the water and see how it goes, guys. All right, guys. Well, we just got over my little area, and as soon as I come around this corner right here, I had a big old gust of wind and it blew my hat off. So I did get it back. First cast, backlash. All right, guys. Open that mouth up. All right, guys, first one. I'm down that stump. You know, I touched that hook, it just fell out. Oh gosh, a little pounder, maybe pound and a half. Check this out, guys. Big old female. She ain't giving eggs yet. There's an eagle. No, it ain't. All right, guys. Well, I just got loaded up. Boat's back on the trailer. I'm fixing to head home. It was only 3 fish. I did miss a couple, but I don't think I think they were just smacking at it. So again, today I am at Woods Reservoir. I'm not sure if I'll fish this weekend with it being Sunday or not. I'm not sure, so we just have to play it by ear. Guys, I appreciate you watching the videos. Y'all have a good one.